So first and foremost, if you're interested in this car, please call me on the number on the screen straight away, because it will be gone instantly. We had one of these this morning advertised. Within an hour it was sold. Again, an all black Discovery 5, the new generation car. It's styled just how it needs to be, just how I would style it as well. This is a D300, very important. It's a 300 brake horsepower, 3 litre diesel 4-wheel drive, R-Dynamic SE with an opening roof, with a deployable tow bar, with 21s, with roof rails, with the right styling, all black. It's an instant seller. It's also got a 2-tone interior, which again breaks the black up and looks absolutely superb. With only 4,000 miles on, it's 71,990, and it's an instant seller, a car that's very difficult to buy from a main dealer. It's here, it's physical. With 4,000 miles on a 2021 registration, look at it. It's an incredible car. The ultimate 7-seater, now in the new generation, the Land Rover Discovery 5, is ultra modern inside with the newest Land Rover technology, the camera system. This one's got the LED front headlights with those new generation driving lights, which look absolutely beautiful. The black styling package with the badges, the grille, everything's de-chromed to the front. The R-Dynamic body styling with the slats in the bumper, all blacked out. The wheels, they're 21-inch, lovely design, sort of like a rotor design, taken from the old rotor wheels on the Range Rovers, but slightly modernised. All black, gloss black, with the inserts into the bumper and the fixed side steps. Being an SE, it's got great spec anyway, but this one's got the opening roof. It's got keyless entry, keyless start, lane departure, and the interior colour's particularly nice. Everyone knows they're a 7-seat vehicle, but with the extras this one's got, it's under the S, isn't it, on these? It's a great buy. Honestly, it's got the tow bar, so you don't need to worry about that. Full electric, so this little shelf drops down electrically so easily, touching this button here. We've got air suspension at the back. We've got electric seat fold for these seats here as well. And then we've got the tow bar. So the push of that button there, let's lift this shelf up. And that's brilliant because you're not going to have to go out and fork out for the tow bar, and it folds away nice and neatly from the factory. Tow bar with electrics, incredible. This vehicle will seat 7 adults, so it's got the head height in the rear, it's got the space in the back, and being the 300 horsepower, it's the driver's car as well. Look in the back, 2-tone ivory and black interior, full leather, stunning car. Also now, if you notice in the back of these seats, we've already got pre-wiring for your rear entertainment, which lots of people like to put in. You can buy the rear entertainment for these new generation Land Rovers from the dealer. Meridian sound system, electric memory seats for driver and passenger. We've got a fridge in the centre console, that's an extra. The operating system in these cars is just incredible. The newest technology that's in the Discovery, the Defender, it's in the new Velar, it's going to be in the new Vogue, the new Sport, already in the Discovery. So as far as technology goes, it's the latest advancements, latest technology from Land Rover. I've missed the colour out. The colour is Santorini black. It's black metallic, not a flat colour. Notice also the painted arches, all the painted sections, so none of that plastic sections to the bottom or the arches, it's all painted. Into the door mirror, you'll notice we've got lane departure warning. We've got lane assist. Again, we'll talk about electric seats. The seat condition's lovely. It's done 4,000 miles, but I love the perforated 2-tone, breaking that interior up slightly just from a plain black. Digital dashboard in these cars, so everything behind my steering wheel is all digital. Keyless entry, keyless start. New generation Discovery steering wheel with stainless steel sections. We've got cruise, we've got lane departure, and we've got Bluetooth on the steering wheel. Big, massive infotainment system in these. Short shift gearbox, popping the car into reverse. Here's the camera system, so the reversing camera, the top view camera, and then we can go into the 3D surround view camera system, which we always talk about. It's brilliant. Off-road camera and towing camera, because we've got the deployable tow bar. You'll see we've got a guide on there as well. There's my tow bar there. Very, very easy to use, and it's a brilliant feature. Latest technology, navigation, phone connections with Apple and Android CarPlay. You've got DAB radio, and then you can tailor this screen and show so many different features selected from here. Climate control is all digital, heated front seats, heated front and rear screens, as always from these cars. But we've got a fridge under here as well, just in here. There's the little button. Also with an LED light inside then, if you can see that, but that's a great option. Your driving modes and your terrain settings down here, everything's sleek and modern inside. And the sunroof's a big one. Lots of these cars do come with sunroofs, but not opening roofs, so another brilliant feature. And with 4,000 miles on it, Land Rover warranty until 2024. This is an instant seller, all black with a two-tone interior, in the right horsepower, D300, 3-litre diesel, 4-wheel drive, 7 seats. It's got everything. My name's Richard. Call me on my number on the screen. I'd love to help you. Thanks for watching.